Hello, my beautiful and spooky friends, and welcome to today's video. As we will be wearing a mask for a majority of the season, I thought it was only appropriate that a little eye art grace our channel this year. And also, I just really love eye art, okay? I just do. Today, we are just here for the booze. You know those shirts from Target? I love it. I love that phrase. I think it's silly, and I wanted to paint some little ghost on our eyeballs, so we're going to. Starting out today's look, we are going to be building a cut crease. So we are first going to go in with a big fluffy brush and a light blue eyeshadow, and we're stippling that color all over our like transition-ish area and then up towards our brow. Using a white eyeshadow, we are going to be melting that blue into our brow bone and then picking up this beautiful, beautiful turquoise color from the Raw Beauty Christie Pure Cosmetics collab. You guys know it's been one of my favorites this year. We are going to be hitting our crease to deepen that area before grabbing a straight black eyeshadow and stippling that across the very center to create the deepest, darkest part of that crease. I do have an in-depth cut crease tutorial here in my Makeup Basics playlist, and you are more than welcome to go check that out in case that's something that floats your boat. But for today, you just need to know that I'm gonna carve out my crease. I'm then going to be packing a yellow eyeshadow towards the very top of that crease that we have cut out, and I'm going to be following that up with an orange towards the lower portion of that lid and into the lash line. A little flick of black eyeliner will go quite a long way, and it's actually going to serve as the base for the first portion of today's eye art. And now we hold our breath, because this ish was so hard. In the very center of our lid, I drew a cute little tick with my black eyeliner. We are going to very, very carefully plot out some gravestones as well as tick our little cross here in our graveyard. This I really have no extra explanation for other than I tried really hard not to mess up with this cute little like rounded shape and then filled it in. I used a liquid glitter eyeliner, the color Pyro from the Urban Decay Liquid Metal Collection, to add just a little bit more pop of like, hey-oh, into our cut crease because, I mean, I just felt like I deserved a little bit of glitter today, okay? Okay. And I apparently did that out of frame. So sorry. Next, I smoked the darker blue shades across my lower lash line, making sure to like really stipple them in to build up their vibrancy. And then using that same light blue shadow and our giant fluffy brush from earlier, I kind of swept it from the inner portion of that lower lash line up and out, trying to like curve it out into like this beautiful like triangular like ooh kind of shape. I wanted to have a background for some of our ghosty ghost. And that brings us here. The ghost. So you can use whatever floats your boat for this portion. I have pink white eyeliner and a liquid lipstick in a white color. You just need a very small detail tool to do this. So normally I would use one of my nail art pins for this, but I found this tiny detail brush first, and so that is what we went with. For these ghosts, we just did a little teardrop shape with kind of a curve towards the tail in order to put these ghosts like in flight. And then I did vary the shapes and sizes a little bit because I wanted it to look like some of them were a little bit closer, some of them were a little bit further away. And I'm not gonna lie, before I added the eyes and mouth, this like really reminded me of those Vera Bradley purse designs that I was obsessed with in middle school. Anybody else? No? Okay. And then I attempted to write boo under my eyes, but I guess it says oob. Well, oob it is. I'm doing great, okay? I added a little bit more glitter to my inner corner, and then even though I didn't want to because that took forever, I did do the other side. Thank you, Janice, for this beautiful blue lip, even though I had to take it off because I went to work and had to put my mask on. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope that you enjoyed it and that you're excited for tomorrow's Halloween video. Don't forget to subscribe if you are not already so you can be notified when that video goes live. I love you all so much. Have a very fun, safe, somewhat spooky day, and I will see you tomorrow. Bye.